Hey gamers, big news from ASUS. Speculation is swirling about the next ROG Ally handheld console. ASUS is set to release the ROG Ally 2. Back in January, ASUS India's vice president hinted at the company's focus on gaming with the upcoming release. He mentioned that while they'll still retain Windows features, the emphasis will be more on enhancing the gaming experience. And recently, ASUS has been making moves to improve the current ROG Ally. They introduced AMD Fluid Motion Frames support and addressed SD card failures reported by some users. Plus, they extended the warranty for devices purchased in North America. And while we are on the topic of addressing issues, let me add few upgrades that we want to see on the upcoming ROG Ally 2. First up, the screen. While the ROG Ally's display is decent, it's time for an upgrade. We're talking narrower bezels and a higher resolution. Think sharper graphics and improved text legibility, all wrapped up in a sleek, modern design. How about a second USB Type-C port? Say goodbye to peripheral limitations and hello to enhanced flexibility for your gaming setup. And let's not forget about ergonomics. Hall effect joysticks, touchpads, and improved controller design are all on the table, making for a more comfortable and customizable gaming experience. Oh, and one last thing. Say goodbye to those pesky fingerprints with a sleek black version of the Ally 2. Because let's face it, white controllers plus intense gaming equals not a great combo. Now, according to video cards, the 2024 model might see those SD card issues resolved. But hold on, there's more. Video cards speculates that the ROG Ally 2 could come with Ryzen Z1 and Ryzen Z1 Extreme APUs, the same ones powering the current model. However, they suggest it might be more of a refresh than a complete overhaul. In fact, they're even calling it the ROG Ally 2024, not the ROG Ally 2. But hey, let's take it with a grain of salt. Video cards hasn't provided concrete evidence for these claims. They're basing it on information gathered from sources they've recently reached out to. They expect to spill more beans in the coming weeks, possibly before the reputed Computex 2024 showcase happening from June 4th to June 7th. So, gamers, keep your eyes peeled for updates because it looks like ASUS is gearing up to level up your gaming experience once again. What are your thoughts on the speculated changes? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more gaming news and updates. Until next time, peace out.